Hey guys, how's it going? We are so close to spring. We're about a month away before we can start planting things outside. So tonight we are going to have a huge night of just planting a bunch of our seeds just to get them started so that when it's ready, they're ready to go outside, we can put them out there. Right now we probably have maybe a quarter of our seeds started already that they've been going for a few weeks. But we're gonna get a bunch going tonight and I will show you just how we do that. So right now we're in our back room, also our plant room where we have all of our plants, and this is where we do all of our seed starting. And the process that we use, it's incredibly simple. So we just use these red Solo cups. We drill a little hole in the bottom just for moisture purposes so that the water has a little escape hatch to it. And all it is just a handful of your favorite potting soil, whatever it is, and then you just do a little hole, maybe about a 1/4 inch deep off of the surface of the soil, and you put your seed in there, cover it back up, and then boom, you are good to go. A couple things to be aware about is a lot of different seeds have different starting kind of processes. So some need higher moisture, some need darkness, things like that. And your seed packet should kind of step by step give you instruction on how to do the starting process. So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna get a bunch of these seeds ready to go, ready to start, and we will catch you back on the other side.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now there's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Oh, dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond all. Hand in hand, building castles out of sand.
Thank you guys for watching. This is how we start our seeds every year. Obviously, it's a very, very easy system. We just, put the seeds in the pots and we are good to go. And like I said, make sure that you're kind of on the lookout for the different starting processes that each seed might have. For an example, some might need to be soaked, some might need to be covered up so there's no light. But outside of that, it's a really, really easy process to do. And I would encourage you, if you have never grown anything before, maybe this is the year that you grow a tomato plant, or this is the year that you grow a pepper plant. Something easy, something to get your feet wet, but this is only our second year and we have a huge garden that we're looking forward to, and it all starts in this room with these seeds. So thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Austin, this is the Cypress and Sparrow Homestead. We'll see you in the next video. Peace.